subscribe to this guy. His name is Crazy Kid.
Hi everyone. So this is my slime, well, our slime. It's very fun to play with. And let me move some of this stuff out of the way.
So hope you guys enjoy. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
So
Yeah, that's all done.
this is her purple slime. It's very high quality. This is the lid. Goes right on like a charm. So there's this purple one. Let me show you her pink one. Her slimes are very, very nice.
Yeah.
Um,
My phone isn't charging. Oh.
I'm sorry if this isn't good, but it's the only way I'm going to be able to record it. So
There you go. Can I have my hair back?
yes.
You can have yours. Oh God. Can I have my... Thank you.
Okay, guys, sorry about that.
Yeah.
Ooh,
We have kids.
this dry stuff has it,
Okay.
and it was inside.
I
But
need I need the brush. Brush this wonderful girl's hair.
so very nice. Are you ready, guys? Hold on. Here.
Where's the brush? Oh. Can I be in the video with you too?
So, and this channel is basically going to be playing with a bunch of toys. So yeah,
Doing
like
games and
actual
stuff.
games and
But we will
slime.
never show our faces.
Well, unless we're reacting or something like that.
Only if we're reacting. But when we're playing games and other type of stuff,
This
that's
is
when we will,
super fun.
yeah. Maybe at the end of this video we might.
Maybe.
Maybe. So I just want to show my wig. My glorious wig. Glorious. I'm so glorious.
This dry please got in it
I'm
again.
so pretty. Look at me. I'm prettier than you.
So this is very nice slime, very nice. I hope this is satisfying enough because I won't be able to do this at home.
Okay, do you
So, yeah.
know,
Something's in the slime.
I
Do you
use
guys
this?
see that? No, no, no,
it's mine now.
no. Hold up, guys.
It's mine. It's mine.
It's mine.
You said you would borrow it, so give it back.
Fine, I'll make the video for you. Ew. Ew.
Hold on.
Ew.
Come on, let's look for yours.
I'm sorry, guys. This is just gross. Ew.
Savannah,
What?
come on.
Ew.
Let's look for yours.
Oh, by the way, your mermaid tail's still here. You
Why
left
would you
it.
put it under there?
You left it.
Don't tell me you used it.
No, I didn't.
There's a hole.
Well, you're welcome.
Okay. Sorry, guys. This might take a while. Where did you put it last? Right here. Right here. On the bed. Yeah. There was nothing on the bed. Wait, check under the bed. No. Hide. might be in the bathroom actually. Let's go look. Let's go look. It's just the two of us. Two of us.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, because I know mine because this is it. I'm sorry, guys.
Because you had it on backwards.
Okay, guys, let's get back to the video. So, as I was saying, very good, nice slime.
Nice.
You guys, I'm going to show you my ugly slime. It's very bad. And yes, you can judge it in the comments. So this is it. This is my slime.
Yeah. She says it's poop.
It looks like poop. Smells like poop.
That's true.
Wow. And then, see, we made this out of like,
Weird, gooey.
yeah, we made this out of like a slime kit. And so,
Mine
this was
is
hers.
Dry.
This is hers. Let's check it out. Oh, okay.
That looks so weird.
I know this is pet peevey, but don't mind.
Don't mind it.
Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.